Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Learning Together with Robert. If this is your first time visiting me, thank you for being here. And if you're back, thank you very much for your support, because without it, this wouldn't make any sense. If you haven't subscribed, why not do it now and give us a like? Those of you who have already been here, you can fast forward to the main part of the video. I just want to welcome our new visitors. I'm Robert Martinez, and I have been an English teacher since 1994 and a teacher educator and language assessment specialist for almost 20 years now. It's been an incredible journey, having lived and worked in 9 different countries. I'm a self-tutor and assessor, online moderator, a full-time director of studies, and tutor on the IHCYLT course teaching English to young learners and teenagers, and I enjoy being in the classroom both face-to-face and online. If you want to know more about my professional background, experience, and qualifications, I've put a link to my LinkedIn profile and a link to a video cartoon version of my CV to jazz things up in the description box below. Feel free to check them out. Today, I want to talk about the European Framework for Digital Competences for Educators, area number 5, Empowering Learners. This area covers the following competences: accessibility and inclusion, differentiation and personalization, and actively engaging learners. I think it's a really useful tool to help you get started with a clearer self-assessment of where you stand now and where you can go next. In today's rapidly evolving educational landscape, the European Framework for Digital Competence for Educators sets the stage for empowering learners across Europe. Let's delve into area number 5, empowering learners. One of the fundamental strengths of digital technologies lies in their ability to support learner-centered pedagogies, fostering active involvement and ownership of the learning process. Digital tools enable learners to explore, experiment, and create, fostering deep understanding and creative expression. These technologies facilitate differentiation and personalized education, ensuring that every learner progresses at their own pace and according to their unique interests and abilities. However, it's crucial to address inequalities and ensure accessibility for all, including those with special education needs, and this can be tricky. Let's explore the journey of educators through the levels of competence outlined in the framework. At the Newcomer A1 beginner level, educators may be uncertain about the potential of digital technologies for differentiation and inclusion, making minimal use of them for learner engagement. One example activity at this level could be an accessibility awareness activity where we conduct a classroom audit to identify potential barriers to accessibility for students with special needs. We can use a checklist to assess physical accessibility, digital resource accessibility, and instructional materials. This could help us gain a better understanding of the challenges students may face and begin to brainstorm solutions. Moving up to the Explorer A2 level, educators become aware of accessibility issues and begin using digital tools to engage learners effectively. A sample activity we could do would be an inclusive digital storytelling project in which we divide students into small groups and assign them the task of creating a digital story using accessible multimedia tools. We can provide guidance on storytelling techniques and offer a range of digital suitable tools for different learning styles and abilities. As an outcome, students collaborate to produce diverse and inclusive digital stories, fostering creativity and empathy. Integrators at B1 level address accessibility and inclusion concerns while employing digital technologies for differentiation and personalization, fostering active learner participation. Something we could do at this level would be a virtual field trip experience. We can organize a virtual field trip using augmented reality or virtual reality technology to explore a subject or subject area in depth. For instance, cities in different parts of the world. We can guide students through immersive experiences, allowing them to interact with simulations in virtual environment. This way, students engage in hands-on learning experiences beyond the classroom, enhancing understanding and retention of the subject matter. At B2 expert level, experts strategically leverage a range of different tools to enhance accessibility, personalize learning experiences, and actively engage learners with the subject matter. At this level, we could try a flipped classroom model implementation where students access instructional materials and engage in activities online before attending class. We can do this by curating multimedia resources and design interactive online assignments to encourage active learning and critical thinking. This way, classroom time is utilized for deeper discussions, collaborative projects, and personalized support, maximizing student engagement and learning outcomes. Leaders at C1 level take a step further, enhancing accessibility, implementing comprehensive strategies for differentiation and personalization, and fostering critical thinking through active learning approaches. Here, we can be more ambitious and work on a cross-curricular digital project collaboration challenge, for example. We can collaborate with colleagues from different subject areas to design a cross-curricular digital project that integrates multiple disciplines, like a CLIL project, for example. This would encourage interdisciplinary collaboration, leveraging digital tools and resources to explore complex topics from diverse perspectives. This would help students engage in authentic learning experiences that bridge disciplinary boundaries, fostering creativity, innovation, and global citizenship. Finally, at the pioneer level, C2, educators innovate strategies for accessibility, differentiation, and personalization using cutting-edge digital technologies, paving the way for transformative learning experiences. Here, we could organize an emerging technology symposium showcasing emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, blockchain, or quantum computing, and their potential applications in education or any other different tools and technologies. We could invite guest speakers, facilitate hands-on workshops, and encourage educators to explore innovative uses of technology in teaching and learning. By doing this, educators gain exposure to cutting-edge technologies and collaborate to envision the future of education, driving transformative change and innovation. The European Framework for Digital Competences for Educators empowers educators at every level to harness the power of digital technologies and truly transform the learning journey for all learners. Join us in shaping the future of education, one empowered learner at a time. Well, we've come to the end, but I will be sharing more exciting videos, so stay tuned and subscribe. Do let me know in the comments box if you have any special requests, and I'll try to make a video about them if there are enough of you commenting. Do share this video with your friends, and can I ask you a favor? Hit that like button so that more people can see this video. Bye for now, and remember, learning is fun and you don't have to do it alone. So let's do it together with Robert.